Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Chevy Equinox. Stock number is 17F1151A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin Latitude tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a cargo rack. Swinging around to the back end now. You have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera. Taking a look inside of the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Chevy on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.